So I want to tell you, I've had these on my Bronco for about 1.5 years. These are the Mabett style Raptor running boards. They're removable and they're absolutely fantastic. You can see, we'll link a video to these and show you how versatile they are. They got a 5mm bolt that if you need the clearance, you can pop these off like so, and you're ready to go, and you throw them in the back of your Bronco. There's only one problem. If you have another group of people sitting in the back, that becomes an issue because you need the back seat down in order to change these out. Now, we are going to go ahead and we're going to put the new 2-piece running board set by Mabett on. Let's see where that takes us. Okay, so now for the unboxing. Now, these are sold in pairs. When you go to buy them, you will obviously have to, if you have a 4-door, you will want to buy 2 sets. They retail for $149. First thing we find when we open it up, we've got the instructions. These are super simple. They come with the hardware, they come with the Allen wrench. All you're gonna do is literally hang them on your rock rail. You need to have the factory rock rails. You'll tighten up the bolt and you will be good to go. They're that easy. And the best part about them is the size. As you can see, they are close to the Ford hoop steps. This is the 2nd generation of these by Mabett, and they've made them much better than the original ones. They're made of a nice quality carbon steel. I can already feel that the powder coating is a little heavier, and the look, very, very nice quality. They look really good. Now, the beauty of this is that I can have additional passengers in my back seat. I want to go down a trail. I feel that it's going to impede my progress a little bit. We pop these off, put them back here. You'll be able to put all 4 together and you're golden. So as you can see, they've done a nice job protecting them. They got the boxes nice and tight, and it's got this, it's probably a 1/2-inch foam pad all the way around taped up. Now, another nice touch they've done is they have made these pads so that it doesn't scratch up your rock rail. So it's just going to make it that much nicer. And also, I would imagine that maybe they put it in there for some type of noise suppression. Comes with your Allen wrench, and it comes with all your hardware. I'll assemble one of these. There's 4 steps. We're going to put the rubber pad underneath each bracket here. I just peeled back the corner with the tip of the razor knife. We'll go ahead. We will put this on here. Go on nice and easy all the way to the top there. We'll do the same thing with the other piece. And it comes back, comes up, and it's hitting all the parts that are going to be touching your rail there. Let's go underneath and put them on. Okay, so there is a specific place where this was designed to fit. I am going to put it on. It's that easy. It's slipped on there right now. So I'm gonna go underneath there and I'm gonna put our bolts into place, and I'm also gonna show you where to hang it so that it doesn't impede with anything. Okay, so as you can see right here is your one bracket, and there's your other. There's the brackets right here and right here. You're gonna put your rock rail somewhere in between there, and you're gonna put your bolts into place. So tie them down with your Allen wrench. I am going to repeat this on the other 3 steps. Okay, as you can see, they look pretty nice sitting on there. As you're on them, things may stretch or things may loosen up. After you've had them on for a couple weeks, just check that bolt, tighten it up a little bit. It's a very easy install. I honestly feel that it could be done by the most novice person. You don't have to have much mechanical aptitude. Just follow the instructions and then take to mind the few points that I pulled out. Okay,